was in minis and you was up like 10 racks.
Yeah.
Just watching that bitch flow, bro, it just looked so beautiful to me, dog. Like the money was just moving,
Like I said, it looked beautiful.
bro. Real shit. Hey, I gotta fall in love with the trade shit. I've been in this shit too long.
Yeah, I'm fell in love with it too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Bro.
Hey, 4 years for this motherfucker. That's what the fuck I'm talking about, bitch. Bro, like fuck. I've
He
been
said,
waiting
that's
on
what,
you. And
that's
we
what the
catching the move though. On God,
nigga said, that's
everything
what
was
the fuck
straight
I'm talking
entry
about.
planned out. Boom.
Nigga said, that's what the fuck I'm talking about, nigga.
Dog, cause I swear to God, it just man, when I think I have this shit sometimes, the market will humble the fuck out of you. But here recently,
Quick.
bro, I felt like I've been taking hit after hit. At least for the
Bro.
bias to show that it is like somewhat true is cool shit. Now I hope the trade plan out though, cause fuck. This
I
is
don't even
horrible
know.
job.
Bro, I mean, look at that. All
What's
the way
up?
right back to where we were at before.
Literally, bro, like what the fuck?
So we're at 73.50. That's where I'd take profits at 73.50. And I'm max leverage too. This thing's gonna actually stop me out if we keep like moving like this, bro. Like I was up like $1,200. I can't afford it to go this far back down.
Look at
Oh,
that.
it's
Back in L. Like, what is it? Did it get a sweep? Are we really finna truly go higher now?
resweep of the lows.
I don't want to go break even at all here because it could just be bullshit and dumb.
Well, I just want to remind you the market conditions we're in, bro. It's definitely you got to be more open to risk here, bro. Just because of the markets, bro. But
Real shit.
this does. I mean, it's freaking FOMC, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, it's FOMC, bro. Like,
Like, bro, what the fuck?
is there news or
I
something?
get
Like, why are we moving like this?
that's what I'm saying. Like, we moving so shitty.
I think one more push from this. I think I'm done, bro.
Man, I may just take a break even just to fucking call it because this is just getting a headache. Cause fuck. I want to see delivery. I'm not trying to sit in a damn chop.
I mean, that's valid, bro. Yeah, I'm done, bro.
Like I want this bitch to push. I mean,
I mean, fuck that,
it got
bro.
one more time. It take out this 1 minute, or it go higher than the 1 minute. If it rejects this 1 minute fair value gap, this little small shit it made. Fuck it. I gotta take anything tonight and shit. Out that
Bro, I
bitch,
mean,
bro.
you going break even isn't a bad play at all.
Nah,
I would have,
literally
if
at
I
all.
was actually in your trade, I would have been break even already.
Yeah, would have had to be honestly.
It makes no sense for it to go all the way back to
Facts.
it going all
Your
the way back
draw.
to your stop loss isn't no, it's not supposed to
Oh
happen.
fuck no! I'm not letting that shit happen. Dad, I'm not letting that shit happen. I'll lose as much as 100 to 110, $20 for real. That's it though,
I
because I can
mean,
easily get that back.
there's this 2 minute gap here that we're delivering nicely out of. I don't even know if I want to take it though, honestly.
Shit, I just got out on one of my accounts because I said fuck it, bro.
But we did have equal lows, generated some liquidity for these buyers to step in if they want to. I don't know. I'll see what the volume profile is looking like, and then I'll go from there.
Man, facts.
I don't even care, bro. I just need one more account to get funded until I'm at 500K, so I'm good to go.
That's what's up.
I got 7 or 8 more left. We got 2 minute on ES though. Nah, I don't even think we get up there, bro. I don't even know.
No, you made.
I don't even know, dog. SMT at those lows. Doesn't even matter, bro. There's SMT everywhere. So if it's gonna work out or not. So on the 4 minute, there's nothing stopping us from getting to this intermediate term high though. Nothing stopping us again from there. This lined up right with the 5 minute unfilled gap. Yes, it's starting to reject it though. Fuck, bruh. I'm actually like, bro, it didn't even give me opportunity, bro.
I just got out.
A break even.
Oh no, I lost about 100. Yeah, 130.
Oh, that's cool.
I mean,
Yeah, on 100K, that's cool.
yeah, bro. With this chop, I really don't want to trade no more.
This will probably be the last trade I take right here. Motherfucking longs up to this high right here.
Okay. To that 5 minute.
Yeah, to these 5 minute highs.
Okay, that's not bad at all. Man, that 15. Hey, the gap held up.
Let's see. See if we
Yeah,
keep drawing
that
towards
10
those
minute
highs
nothing
though.
but wicks above that 690.
NQ's definitely the leader though. I'm giving the longs a shot, bro.
No
Giving the
longer
longs
than
a
bad at
shot.
all here.
Only needed to come up here and, well, we needed to kind of blow past this draw a little bit, but. And exit TP is going to be at 72750.
You got in there?
Yeah, I'm in there.
Yeah.
727. 72750. So we're going to buy, so we're going to sell back. And then 72750. Stop losses at the exit of that fair value gap.
Okay.
Really, I would be break even here, but doesn't really matter too much. 72750 looks like ES wants to draw towards these highs as well, so we should be good. All right, up like 2300. Yeah, ES is gonna hit these draws too, so we should be solid here. All right, we're out. All right, we're good there. Got that account down. All right, Trey, I have now hit $500,000 in funding. Let's go.
So this was bro. Congrats.
Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. I'm glad you're here to see it.
Yeah.
Bro, I literally
You done trading?
shit nah. Shit nah. All right, bro. We have completed the challenge. We bought 21 accounts and we're walking away from this challenge with 14 accounts. So, overall, 66% win rate, give or take, because, you know, we took some overnight trades and stuff like that, et cetera, et cetera. Overall, we traded amazing for these last 2 weeks. Mark has been really cooperating. But as of right now, we had a long day. If we check our Twitter, guys, we had a long day. Had a very long day. These were all the executions we took today, and we're going to go over every single one of them because we could not have a 4-hour screen recording, so we're just going to go over each trade individually. So let's go ahead and get right into it because I'm pooped for the day, so I can just get this video out and we could just go from there. All right, so first trade of the day, we have, as you guys can see, I was looking at this fair value gap to get swept, but ES wasn't cooperating off the jump of the opens. Where is my thing at? Alright, so we're going to do this so you guys can see ES as well. So if we go to the 5-minute on ES, right at market open, I saw we had equal highs resting here, and I wanted to be able to target those equal highs. But unfortunately, if we go down to like the 3-minute, 2-minute time frame, it just mega sent all the way up to those highs, and there was no entry for that. There was no gap on this leg down, nothing. So start looking for another setup. We saw that we hit London highs, so we wanted to see some sort of reaction out of London highs, right? So after we see London highs, we see that we inverse this gap right here on ES, inverse this 5-minute gap right here on ES. But I didn't notice at the time of us actually taking the trade that we didn't inverse the gap on ES. I'm pretty sure I said NQ. I meant NQ over here. We inversed the gap on NQ but didn't inverse it on ES. So I was forced to exit the position because it wasn't absolutely perfect. So I exited the position early, took a break even right there. Probably made I made $69 on that trade actually. So after we got down to these lows right here, obviously the trade ended up winning. So if we drop down to the 2-minute time frame, let me full screen this John. Drop down to the 2-minute time frame, you guys can see that we had, where's the trade at? That we had these lows right here, and I figured that this would be the next draw that we're going to draw towards. And overall, we had previous day lows, etc., etc. So it just looked like a super obvious draw to continue going down to previous day lows. So I take that trade, expecting after we made a breaker block, I'm pretty sure. My charts for ES are not marked up, but ES was looking extremely bearish. We had 1040 lows resting there. Had a lot of draws lower, so we just ended up taking these shorts after we broke structure to the downside. Obviously, ended up getting stopped out. Now with this right here, I saw that we had this 1-minute gap, and I love the delivery that we were getting. There is no other confluence for this trade. We didn't sweep out any real objective. We only just took these 1-minute, these 2-minute lows right here. But I saw we had this 2-minute inverse fair value gap that we delivered beautifully out of. This fair value gap. Also had this 1024 high resting here, along with a 15-minute gap and a 5-minute gap resting above. So, excuse me, we simply take that trade, targeting this high right here. Had to go for 72925 to be able to hit our $3,000 profit target. So that was a trade we took, ended up exiting there, and then after this we tapped into a 1-minute gap as well, and we had a 15-minute gap resting above. So I saw that we tapped into this 1-minute gap, respected that, and then continued to get bullish delivery after we took these highs. So I went in with a continuation buy, only targeting this 5-minute gap that was resting above here, targeting this 5-minute, or no, actually I was targeting these 1-hour equal highs. So if we go to the 1-hour pre-market, we put in 1-hour equal highs. That's what I was anticipating the market to draw towards when I took this continuation buy right here. But obviously all we needed was it to go to 763. So after that, I already knew that I wanted to be looking for shorts after we took those hourly equal highs, because ES was lagging all day. So as you guys can see, these are the hourly highs on ES, the buy side liquidity that we never hit. And I was already anticipating all the way down here that NQ is going to come up here, take out these highs, and then we're going to see a SMT off of these highs, and then look for inverse fair value gap to continue down shorter. So the high, we always got to go for the highest time frame inversion. So after we took out those equal highs, we just looked for the highest time frame inversion, which was this 5-minute gap. So this was a super simple trade. We had a 15-minute, we had two 15 minutes resting below, but I wasn't too worried about this 15-minute because of the displacement we got on the 5-minute time frame. So I kind of had a strong feeling that price was going to draw towards this 15-minute gap. So if we go to the 5-minute, you guys can see we inverse this gap, tap into this 15-minute, and then continue to just dump through this 15-minute gap. And right there, you guys can see that we hit TP in like, what, 2 minutes? 4 minutes. Hit TP in 4 minutes. Absolute banger right there. This is the same thing. We had 1040 equal body closure lows on ES that we were expecting to get hit after we swept, after we inverse all these 15-minute gaps. I was not sure, but I had a strong feeling that price was going to draw towards previous day low. Previous day low. We already hit 930 open. Had 1040 lows right here, and also we had another 4-hour sell side draw on NQ. Had another 4-hour sell side draw on NQ. That doesn't really matter, but we had it right there, previous day low, and then we had this. So we had some external range liquidity resting below, and we decided to take the same type of impulse sell. We had a 3-minute fair value gap after. We had a 3-minute fair value gap that we tapped into on ES, I'm sure. On ES, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I don't even know. Maybe it was a 2-minute. 1 minute? Okay. Nah, okay. Maybe we just took this off of just a market structure shift. I think we just took this continuation out of a market structure shift. See this trade? Oh, that was the fair value gap. This 1-minute fair value gap that we respected right here. So for those of you guys that don't see it, it's pretty small. So we respected that 1-minute gap, saw that ES was not showing any signs of slowing down up here. So we just decided to take these shorts after we respected this gap. Take this closure, target a 1.23R. Overall, had some nice draws lower, so I thought it was a good spot to target. Ended up hitting TP. That's account number like 3 or 4 down for the day. And then right out of this, we actually took another short right here, I believe. No, we didn't. So this is later in the day. So after this, we did take another short. We took a short after we swept these lows right here. So we took another short. Make sure you cut this out the video, bro. And then after we took all of these, we ended up getting wicked out for our take profit. Our take profit was literally right here at 699. Got wicked out, ended up getting stopped at break even, but I love the displacement we got through this 1-minute gap. The displacement we got through this 1-minute gap, and after we saw this wick here, we started to see some extreme volume come through these highs as well. So I took this entry, and we also had a 5-minute unfilled gap resting up here as well, and along as a 15-minute as well as a 15-minute. So we had some great draws higher, especially after we made this huge dump with no retracement. We basically just played the retracement. So we ended up taking this trade taking it all the way up to wherever we needed to go. Boom, another account passed and done for the day. Frick, bro. So after everything is said and done, we are walking out of here with 6 more PA accounts. You guys can see these are this is everything. We got all of these. 2 of them were lost in the process. It's completely fine. But boom, that's 2 accounts right there. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and 6 right there. So you guys can see all 6 accounts are down and passed. We came into the morning with about 9, I believe, and walked out of here with 6 funded accounts. So, you know what I'm saying, overall, a great day. I'm absolutely pooped. We're going to get this video uploaded for you guys, and I can't record all of these trades, but, I'm not really feeling any sort of emotion because I know now this is just the next step to where we have to go. Now we have to work to get this payout, this max payout. So that's going to be our next journey. And after that, guys, we have completed life after we get that. What will our payout be? We have 15 accounts now. We have 15 accounts times 2,000. That's 30 bandos, bro. I need that. So we have a potential. We're gonna work our way up to this max payout, this 30K payout. So that's gonna be our next series that we do. Working our way to this 30K payout. With that being said, guys, I really, really appreciate everybody who's been here for the journey. If you guys go back and watch, you guys will see I started off 2 weeks on Top Step, couldn't get an account, couldn't get them funded, went to Alpha Futures, and now we have completed 20 of these Apex accounts. This is a huge milestone for me. You know what I'm saying? Now we just got to continue to stay poised. So now, since we're over and we're done with everything now, we're going to make this Twitter post. You guys are going to come with me as well. And if you guys aren't following me on Twitter, make sure you guys do so. Julian Hatfield 10. And we're just going to go over the plan for now. Since, I don't know if I can do like a voice thing, bro. If I can. You want to enable diction? Yes. Alright, though. Since we're done with this, now, here's the new plan. Here's the new plan. Here's the new plan. I don't even know how to use that joint. But, here's the new plan. No. We're going to say road to 30K. New challenge. Yeah. New challenge. New challenge. Road to 30. Road to 30K payout. Alright, guys. Here is the strategy we're going to use. We're going to risk 300. We're going to risk $300 a trade. Very simple to be able to keep, because we want to be able to trade carefree. I can trade carefree with $300 risk. So, trade with $300 risk. Obviously, stay consistent. We're going to stay consistent with everything. We're going to continue doing what we're doing. We're going to continue to lock in, and we're going to totally de-risk ourselves and take our mental out of this game come January, because we're done for the year. I've earned a pat on the back. I'm done for the year. I'm actually not taking any trades. We're going to stay consistent. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to trade for, or after we do everything perfect, if we're doing everything perfect, it should take us about 9 trades to get to that $2,500 mark. So after those 9 winning trades, we're going to work towards that 2,000, obviously. So we're just going to stay locked in. I had something I was going to type out, but new plan, risk 300 because we want to be able to trade carefree. Stay consistent. I think that's it. There's literally nothing else to being profitable. Keeping your psychology in check. I'm not going to over risk. I'm not going to do that crap. But, yeah, guys, I think that might actually be it. I'll go ahead and post. But if you guys, man, anyway, I don't want to do too much yapping, but I'm going to get out of here. I appreciate everybody who came this far to see me come this far. I appreciate everybody who's been watching, grinding with me. And if anybody else is on the journey themselves, you guys got this, bro. All it takes is discipline and the skill. Once you have the skill and you have discipline, everything else will fall in line, boys. Follow me for the 30K payout. We're going to get this right. Not right now, but come March, come February, come March, bro. Every day, bro, we're just going to be elevating. And then from there, we're going to continue to grow. So I love y'all. And I'll see y'all next year. Happy New Year.